Hi guys, today we look at the LeetCode 44 wildcard matching. Given an input string S and pattern P, implement a wildcard pattern matching with support for question mark and asterisk. Question mark matches any single character and asterisk matches any sequence of character, including the empty string. This matching should cover the entire input string, not partial. S could be empty or contains only lowercase letter A to Z. P could be empty, contains only lowercase letter A to Z, and character like question mark and asterisk. Example AAA, then false because cannot match. AAA star because can match any sequence asterisk. So give another example. For example, S is for the condition, right? S only is a string, only contains lowercase, and P is a lowercase and question mark and asterisk. Question mark can be replaced to single lowercase and asterisk any strings include length equal to 0 string. Okay. For example, this one A B C D AA star. This one false because here already A, so you return false for the function. Intuitively try to come out with a recursive function f. Given the string or p, this is pseudocode, and si, which is represents the index for string s and string p respectively, and treat one var as row, one var as column. Is that possible that the s string, s array, si until the end can be matched with p, pi? If it can be matched, then return true, otherwise return false. Later also we'll introduce a convex trick optimization. So first step, we see this string with two char array to the char array, then put the char array to here and 0 0 because you want to match the whole string, the entire input string. That's why 0 0 you want to check from 0 to end, 0 to end, not partial S P you want to match. Okay, so in this case, take a look about here. First condition, S equal to S length, meaning S already reached the end of the length. In this case, is the last one. Then how? You must make sure it's already empty. Then pi equal to p length. Also empty, then true. Otherwise, pi have to be star because can match anything. And pi star also can match. Pi plus 1 also can match si. You know si is here. So pi plus 1 also can match. Then okay. Then in another case, if pi is empty, then how? Then the only condition is true is si equal to s length, also true. Okay, pi not equal to question mark, and pi not equal to asterisk. In this case, si equal to pi and possess 1 isp s1 plus 1 p1 plus 1. What's the meaning of it? It means si pi equal to question mark, p equal to this means pi is lowercase, it's lowercase only. Then si pi is equal, return if whether this single condition is equal or not, and also you have to check the rest whether they are matched or not. Check to match. If they are both matched, then it's true. For this condition, pi equal to question mark, then return process as p si plus 1 pi plus 1. Can I match any string for this condition? Because this is can match any single characters, so you have to check. So meaning, and as you know, si is not empty. In this case, the value of si is not empty. In this case, you only have to check si plus 1 and pi plus 1. For after this, you only have one condition, which is pi equal to asterisk. In this case, it's a bit complex because firstly, you have to go through the for loop, and it's what's the meaning of this? Let's give an example. Pi equal to I star, meaning, for example, in this case, Si is not empty. You have to check this one, and then you let asterisk match zero string, zero length. And if this is the case, if P string pattern string is like this, P string is like this, then asterisks have to match one length. Also, you can have to match two lengths and three lengths. What's the total number of it? It's actually Si until Ni, n minus 1. So the total length we calculate here is S length minus Si. So why, and here you keep plussing I. Why you put the equal sign? Because in here, you know, if Si equal to, because array index cannot go to the length of the array. But why you still can put this? Because you can see this condition, because if it is equal, meaning going to the end, then it's returned. So don't worry about it. If it is possible, if it is for each one, for example, in this way, Si plus length, this length is also variable. You have to check each one, have so many. If any branch is true, then they return true. Otherwise, if the whole thing finish cannot return true, then return false. That's a first intuitive way to understand the wildcard matching LeetCode.